There's no solar. I need some power. First ever known electric vehicle charging input port adapter on any RV. This is a 240 volt charging station designed for electric vehicles. There are going to be some people who see this and they're going to freak out. This huge van in an EV parking spot, not just in the spot but actually plugged in, so they might assume that it's powered by electric, which it is as far as the RV components. Refrigerator, I have an electric induction stove, so I have no propane in here. I am cooking with an electric vehicle charging station by way of this converter charger, 240 volts AC down to 12 volts DC. I might be the first to EV charge and cook. I live in this thing full time, so things like this are a very big deal. So I can cook and charge the battery at the same time at an EV charging station for free. Otherwise, I would definitely have to run a generator or have a supermassive battery bank of lithium batteries. Around January 2019, I plan on installing this Tesla battery, lithium battery with a high capacity. This is a diagram I drew ahead of time. It's all available on my website, econito.org, and also comparing other lithium batteries if you want to look at that. You'll want to surely subscribe and click notification bell to see the video when I do this upgrade. I don't have it set up through the automatic transfer switch or inverter or anything like that. It's just straight for battery charging. But I can power the appliances through the inverter, which is pulling the same power from the battery, so that energy can be used for everything. So how is this eco-friendly? The charging stations are going to be increasingly run from renewable energy, and it also prevents me from having to drive around to charge my batteries by way of alternator. Eco-friendly because it reduces generator charging. Generators powered by gas or diesel obviously have to come from non-renewable sources of energy, pollute the air, the environment, the refining of the fuel, the noise pollution. Reduce propane dependency for cooking, running the refrigerator, etc. Allows batteries to last longer because if you get the charger converter, it has 3 or 4 stages of charging, so that will allow the battery to last longer. It's good for the battery. What that means for the environment is if a battery lasts longer, then you don't have to buy a new one as fast. Other benefits include you save money on dry camping. You do others a favor by freeing up high-demand powered campsites. It's very convenient. You don't have to fiddle with your own cords or adapters. Also, some privileges of this is you can park up front, like in here, these special parking spaces, in this case closer to the ocean beach. Currently, this is only practical for vehicles under about 21 feet. Mine is 20.5 feet long, and it's a little bit of a stealthy looking vehicle that doesn't look quite as much like a camper motorhome as a typical Class B. Once this message gets to those with the appropriate power in the future, vehicles that are equipped with solar panels after they're done charging at the charging station can send power back into the grid, possibly for money. This would be super eco-friendly. Someone could park in the sun all day long and possibly get paid. Imagine making money with your RV by putting energy back into the system with your solar panels. Electric vehicle charging stations that charge a fee would waive the fee if you're putting energy back into it with the solar panels. The future of solar panels could be so efficient that perhaps the vehicle could be injecting quite a lot of power back into the grid. I predict a lot more people will live in vehicles and RVs due to increased conveniences, better designs, and the need to relocate frequently due to climate changes, social chaos, etc. Please refer to my website econito.org for more details about this, the installation instructions and tips, as well as a list of parts with links. I will respond to everybody who leaves a comment.